Hello, this is a video of how to access Microsoft Teams through your 365 email. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to want to log into myuaccb.edu. Once you're on the home screen, you can pull up the 365 email. Sometimes it takes it a second to load. Once it loads, you can go up here in the left-hand corner to the app launcher, and it'll bring up a whole bunch of apps that you actually have access to. But we're going to click on this purple one that says Teams. Teams is an instant messenger. You can download the app on your phone and it can replace text messages between employees or even students. You can create different teams or groups, like there's academic affairs, safety team, one student, one staff, so you can join or create a team. There's just basic chat too, like I have one with just me and Sharon, and one with me and Tiffany, and a whole bunch of others. But I really like the option of having the desktop app, so it starts up every morning when I turn on my computer. So you go down here to the left hand corner at the bottom and you click Get App, and you'll save the file, and sometimes you'll have to go to your download page if it doesn't pop up immediately. Once that's done, it'll look something like this on your screen. Hold on. It'll look like this, and you'll be able to access it and save it to your taskbar. If you have any questions or any concerns, please just call me or email me. Thanks so much and have a great day.